Hi friends, welcome to Madhu's Creative Hub. Today we are going to do a DIY for Rakhi. This is the best gift for your brother or your sister. This is what we are going to make. For this I am going to use molded clay. I am going to mix the hardener and the resin well until it becomes soft and white. I make two round shape for the face. I am taking a waste MDF wood. I am going to color it with white acrylic paint first and then draw the design I want using pencil. Then I am going to use acrylic color to paint them. You can choose any design of your choice. Your brother or your sister can keep this for lifelong on their walls. So for the face part, to give the 3D effect, I am using that round balls which we made out of clay. This is dried now, the clay is dried. Even in wet you can stick it. Once everything is dried, I am going to color it. First I am going to use the flesh tint color for the face and other body parts which should be skin colored. I am going to use blue color for brother's shirt, and for sister's dress I am going to use the red color. I am going to apply it like an outline and then filling it with color. This would be an easy method to fill small gaps. I needed 2 coats of dress colors, so I applied 2 of them. Once one coat is dried, I just applied another coat. If you are liking our channel content, please like, share and subscribe. So now I am going to color her dress with red. This typically shows a naughtiness between brother and sister, where brother is pulling sister's hairs and sister is on brother's shoulder. I'm sure everyone can relate to this if you have your own brothers and sisters or cousins. So I'm going to color black color hairs. And I'm going to apply pink on the background. You can use any color of your choice. Once completely dried, apply varnish to save your work. This would be the most memorable gift, so you can depict any memorable incident you have in your childhood and create that as a cartoon and give it to your brother. I'm going to take zero brush and trying to add the features and then outline the entire drawing. This Raksha Bandhan is sometimes celebrated now and sometimes celebrated as Bhai Dooj, and in Karnataka we celebrate it as Sodara Bidike during Diwali. The purpose is the same, where they thank their brothers for protecting them. I am going to add stripes for the brother's shirt and dots to the sister's dress. I am going to use a dotting tool, but you can also use pen refill or pen cap or anything like that to make this. I added a quote saying my brother has the world's best sister. You can add any quote or just wish happy Raksha Bandhan as well. Now I'm going to attach this thread so that we can hang it through the holes we created. So I'm just going to tie tight 3 knots so that it doesn't come out of the hole, and that's how you can make it hanging. You can also attach hanging hooks which you get. See, this is how it looks. Isn't it pretty? You can make big or small size based on your requirement. I will make some more videos for anniversary gifts and other birthday gifts. Hope you like our channel content. Please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.